Part 2 of the drop kit on the 1983 GMC. It's a little bit dirty because it's been raining here, but we're gonna knock out the back today. I've already got the bolts off for the wheels. We're just gonna take the wheels off real quick, and I'll show you what I'm about to do right now. So, all right, so I got the wheels off, as you guys can see. So right now the move is to get these bolts off. This one comes off, and then we take this one off, and then these 4 bolts right here. And so it's called a flip kit. So these springs are gonna go on the bottom side instead of being on top. We're also gonna put in new shocks. That's just the bolt right here and bolt down there. And after that, I think we have to cut the exhaust as well because it's gonna be getting in the way. I might cut it either right here or all the way over there, depending on how it sits. I might have to cut it all the way over here, just because it's got this big old emissions tank right here. So I'll probably cut it all the way over there. And we also have to cut these bump stops off, these stock bump stops. It's held on by rivets, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna have to find something to take these rivets off with. It shouldn't be too hard though. And after that, it should sit level, so wish us luck. What's up guys? So day 2. I wasn't really able to record yesterday, but we got the flip kit pretty much installed here, as you can see. All that's left is to tighten these bolts right here and put these bolts up closer, put the springs closer to the axle, and we'll be pretty much done. Oh yeah, and the shock too. We have to install the shock and we'll be pretty much done. I do plan on cutting this thing off, but right now for the purposes I'm gonna probably take some pictures right now, so I'm gonna just leave it on right now, and then I'll cut it off when I have time. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm putting on the lug nuts on. We are finished with the drop kit. The flip kit was pretty easy. Wouldn't you say so, dude?
Oh yeah, it was pretty easy.
It was pretty easy. I mean,
Took 2 days.
Literally, it took 2 days, but literally one day we weren't even working on it that much. How many hours do you think we have? Like today I've spent like 2 hours today, maybe? And like, what, 3 yesterday?
3 no.
Well, we only worked on it 2 days. So it's 5 hours for the back and 4 hours for the front. So in total we spent like 9 hours. So if you give me one day, I could knock out the drop kit completely on the truck. But let me put these lug nuts on since I'm struggling so much, and I'll ask my brother to hand me the camera so you guys could see under here, and I could explain everything to you guys, because he couldn't record most of the back because we were lifting some heavy stuff, so I needed like 2 hands. So if you're gonna do a flip kit, make sure you have an extra hand because it does get a little bit heavy and hard. But we finished it, and that's what matters. So right now the plan is to wash it up, take some pictures, and post this bad boy up on Facebook Marketplace. But anyways, like I said, these bolts are tight, new shocks are installed. Got the flip kit, the springs are in the back, on the bottom now instead of the top. New bolts, I do recommend having something to cut with. I needed to cut these bolts because my socket didn't fit. I had one of the deep sockets and it still didn't fit. So make sure you have something to cut these with, because I had to cut them. I had to go as far as I could with the socket, cut them, and then go as far again. And make sure you don't forget the washers. I forgot the washers the first time, so I had to do it again. Make sure you don't forget the washers. Same for that side. And it's honestly just a pretty simple thing. If you read the instructions and everything, you should be able to knock it out. And make sure you put your little things in the holes. There's little holes that you have to put stuff in, as you can see right here. I got both of them in there. But yeah, so the wheels are on pretty much. So now what's left to do is drop it. So I'll be right back and I'll show you guys the video of it dropped down to the floor. Here. Alright, so my brother is coming down right now. I'm down here recording this. Make sure nothing hits. Make sure everything is going to plan. So yeah, go down with that bad boy, man. Damn.
Damn, that's just low, bro.
Bro, what the heck?
It's super low.
Dude, that is low as heck. Yo, look at this. Whoa. Now that's sick. Told you guys I knew how to install a drop kit. So here's the finished product, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Now this part is low. About a foot. So like I said, we finished the drop kit on the 1983 GMC Sierra. I didn't get too much of the backflip kit because my cameraman Nobi was helping me with some of the heavy lifting and stuff, but it's overall really easy, as you guys saw in the video. So we finished dropping it and now it's time to post it up for sale. I am thinking about posting it up for $22,500 or best offer. It's a rust-free truck, short bed, GMC 350 with a 700 R4 transmission, newly installed drop kit with the original Steely wheels, original grill, a lot of original stuff on this thing. Only thing not original about it is the drop kit. So I think it looks fire, and like you guys saw in the video that I just showed you guys, it looks good. The back is literally like a foot off the ground, and it rides perfect too. It rides stock. So make sure to like and subscribe and keep up with me for more videos, because we're gonna be working on that next.